Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to show you how to utilize Hillshading in Global Mapper Pro software. Hope you find this video helpful. To start, we'll access online sources to import a digital elevation model into the software. You can find different types of DEMs in the Popular Sources section. We choose one of the DEMs and click the Connect option. This will load a global DEM. As you can see, the DEM of the whole world was imported. Next, we navigate to the area of interest. There are various display models available for the DEM, and we'll select the Global Shader option. Next to this option, you'll find the Enable or Disable Hillshading feature. By selecting that, the DEM will be displayed in 3D. This happens because of the simulated sunlight effect created by the software. The following feature is the Show Dynamic Hillshading tool. This feature allows us to adjust the sun's angle. The light direction indicates the sun's position relative to the Earth. This angle generates shadows and provides a three-dimensional perspective of the terrain. As we modify this angle, you'll notice changes in the DEM layer, allowing you to position the sun's angle for an optimal view of the landscape. Lastly, we have the vertical exaggeration option. Increasing this value will exaggerate the elevation of the terrain, while decreasing it will diminish the height of the land surface.